What's up, Buff Nation? I am Professor Buffcat, and these are 3 things I wish I knew when I started lifting. Number 3, proper form. Performing an exercise correctly will reduce the risk of injury and increase the likelihood you're going to stimulate the correct muscle. So, there's no excuse for bad form nowadays, really. If you're watching this, you have the internet, and you can search up infinity videos of infinity exercises, and you could find out how to do them properly. And if you're watching this and you don't have the internet, who are you? How'd you do that? Number 2, learn free weights. If you can use free weights, you can use most machines. If you can use machines, that doesn't necessarily mean you can do free weights. So you should learn like bench, overhead press, bent over row, and squat. And if you're starting to feel experienced and confident and you've got good form for it, you could try the deadlift. Now, learning to do these correctly, they'll account for like the majority of your gains, especially at the start. So you should, never mind, just bench. Just only bench. Just do the best one. Do the best one. Do bench. All the rest of them are dumb. Bench press. And number 1, the most important one, the number 1, is that Rome was not built in a day, okay? Just like building muscle tissue, okay? It takes time. It took 1,229 years to build Rome, according to Google, which I asked. So take your time, you know? You've got 1,229 years to build muscle. There's no reason to rush it. Right? Right? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, the world's gonna bring us down. So be uplifting.